So, hey guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video, I will let you know how to remove the write-up protection from your USB. For example, here I have inserted my USB, and if I open this up and I want to create, let's say, a folder in it, it is not allowing me to create any folder because the option is not allowed. Similarly, if I copy a file from somewhere else, for example, I copy this file, this is a video file, and I want to paste this over here by pressing the Control V. It gives me this warning. This is write protected. How to remove this protection from your USB? That's the purpose of this video. And there are different ways you can do it. And the first one is to put your USB into your computer and then click Windows R button to open this run dialog box and write CMD in there slot and click OK. This will open this command prompt window. And on the prompt, just write disk part and click enter. Here comes a warning, so you just need to click yes. And this window opens up. And here in this window, write list disk and then click enter. So here is a list of disks, and you need to recognize your disk from the memory of your disk. And if I look, this is my disk 3840 megabytes. So my disk is somewhat around 4 gigabytes. So this one is my disk, and the number of the disk is 2. So here you need to select the same disk, select disk 2. This is the rest, which is write protected, and I click enter. Disk 2 is now selected, and here I write attributes disk clear read only. And if I click enter, this attribute clears successfully. Now, if I go back to my disk and I come to my computer, I remove the disk from the computer first. I eject it. I remove the USB then, and I re-enter it to my computer. And then I right click in it. Again, you see the issue is not resolved because it doesn't allow me to create a folder in it. And similarly, if I press Ctrl V to paste, this is right protected, so it is the issue is not resolved. The second way is to copy your data from your USB to a folder on your computer and then format the USB. So the data is copied to a safe folder on your computer, and now I come back to my USB at this position and I right click the USB port, and here I click on format. Remember, formatting USB would remove all the data from it, so I click on format. So I use FAT files, and I click on quick format, and then I start format. Okay, click OK. So see again, it says it is right protected. The formatting didn't work, so we need to try the third method. So next I want to remove the write protection from registry key, and for that we need to go to registry edit. Okay, click Control R key and edit RGD edit XC. Yes, and come here to the registry key. And here you need to come to registry local machine. Okay, click on the arrow to open this up and come down to the system folder. Then click on the arrow to expand this folder and then search for current control set. This one folder, click on the arrow to expand this folder and click on the control and then search for storage device policy. There is no storage device policy. Since there is no folder name storage device policy, therefore we want to create this folder, and that we can do by First coming to the control folder, right clicking on this, I come to new and then click on key. And if I click on key, I give the name storage device policy. So I give this storage device policy, right? It is so it is now created. Now right click on an empty space, this open, press on this key, and then come down to GWord32 value, click this and give the name write protected. So I have given the name write protected. If I click this and I drag it here, it is write protected. Now double click the write protected, this box appears and you have to set the value to 0. Two values are allowed, 0 or 1. So the 0 switch it off and the 1 enable the write protection. Now I close the registry key dialog box and I again come to File Explorer, and in the File Explorer I come to my USB, I right click on it and I eject this. Safely remove, I remove the USB from the USB port and then reconnect the USB to the USB port. Now if I right click, it doesn't allow me to create a folder. That means the issue still persists. It hasn't been even resolved by the registry edit. So we need to move to the next option. The next option is to use software for reviewing the write protection. There are several software available online, but I use Disk Genius. This is my USB drive. I right click on this and I come down to change the status, and here I click on read only. This function tries to remove read only from current disk, storage, any application. Are you sure you want? Okay, I click OK. Fail to set or remove read only. If all these methods fail to remove the write protection from your USB, that means the hardware of your USB is damaged. So there is no any other way. You are supposed to replace your USB with a new one. Thanks for watching.